Hello, friends. Do you know what day it is today? Let's figure it out together. Can you look on the board and tell me what the last shape is we drew in our pattern? Once we know what the last shape is that we drew in our pattern, we will know what yesterday was, and then we can figure out what today is. So did you guess a green shamrock? Good guess. So yesterday was Thursday, March 4th, 2021. We're going to start in this square and we're going to go one square over to the right because we always read left to right. And that is what today is. So we're going to start by continuing our pattern and putting the next shape in here. So we've kind of got a tricky pattern this month. What shape do you think goes after this green shamrock? What is it? Let's say it together and see if we're correct. Are you ready? Green shamrock, yellow circle, green shamrock, yellow circle. Did you guess yellow circle? Good job. We're going to color it in on our board. You can color it in on your calendar or on a piece of paper, or you can draw it in the air with your finger. All of those are great ways to practice. Are you ready? We'll start up at the top, and then we're going to go around and come back up to the top. And sometimes our circles don't look very much like circles. Sometimes they look like ovals, and sometimes they might look like a square. All of that is okay because we're just practicing. So now that we've put the shape in our pattern, we know where to come back to in our calendar as we're working on our date. So we're going to start by figuring out what the name of the day is. And do you see how many names of the day we have? All of these are names of the days. So let's count them up and then we will say them together. Are you ready? It's okay if you don't remember all of them yet. We will learn together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. Thank you for singing that with me. It's so much more fun when we do it together. So today is Friday, and Friday starts with the letter F. And F sounds like F. Can you say F? Good job. So other words that start with F are fun, or fabulous, or friend. Those are all great words, and they all start with the letter F. So Friday starts with a capital F because it's the name of the day. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. Friday. So that's 2 syllables, fry and day. Can you clap it with me? Friday. Good job. One more time. Friday. Good job. Now let's put the name of the day into our sentence in our agenda. Do you have your agenda with you today? It's okay if you don't. You can always practice on a piece of paper, or you can practice doing the letters in the air with your finger, or you can just say them with us as we go along. All of those are great ways to practice. So we're going to start by putting in the first 2 words of our sentence. Today is. Are you ready? So we're going to start with a capital T for today. Capital T, and it's a capital T because it's the first word in our sentence. T-O-D-A-Y, and then we're going to put the word is, I-S, and today is Friday. So capital F-R-I-D-A-Y, and then we're going to put a comma, and that comma reminds us to pause before we say the next word, and the next word is going to be our month. Do you remember how many months are in the year? Let's count and figure it out together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 months in our year. Let's see if we can remember all of the names. Practice them with me. It's okay if you don't know yet. We'll practice together. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. And do you remember what month we are in right now? It's the 3rd month. If you start at the top and count down 3, 1, 2, 3, you'll find the month that we're in, and it is the month March. So we put March at the top of our calendar so that it's easy to see. We can just look at the calendar and know that it's March. And March begins with a capital M. And M sounds like Can you say What other words start with the letter M? Can you think of any? What about monkey or movie? Those are great M words. So March starts with the letter M, and it's a capital M because it's the name of our month. M-A-R-C-H, March. and it has one syllable. Can you clap it with me? March. One more time. March. Good job. Let's put March into the sentence in our agenda. Today is Friday, comma, and I've run out of room here. There's a little bit of room, but not enough room to print March. So I'm going to come down and come back to the beginning. And I'm going to put capital M because it's the name of our month. A-R-C-H. And next I'm going to put in the number. What do you think our number is today? If yesterday was 4, what do you think today will be? What comes after 4 when we're counting? Well, here's some good guesses. When we put 4 into the calendar, we say 4th. Can you say 4th? Good job. Let's go back to the beginning and count up all of our numbers and see if our guess is correct for today. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you guess 5? Good guessing. Let's put a number 5 in here. You can practice on your calendar or on your paper, or you can practice it in the air with your finger. All of those are excellent ways to practice. Are you ready? So we'll start up at the top here. We'll make a little line down. Then we're going to curve it out almost like a circle. Are you ready? Go out, whoop, and then stop there. Then we're going to come back up here and extend the line out. That is our number 5. Before we put the 5 into our agenda, let's count backwards. It's okay if you don't know how yet. We'll practice together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Good job! Now we can put the number 5 into our sentence. Today is Friday, comma, March 5th. So we say number 5 when we're counting, but when we put it into the calendar, we say 5th. Can you say 5th? Good job. So we'll put a 5 here and then a comma. And that comma reminds us to pause before we say our year. Do you remember what the year is? It's easy to find. It's on the board at the very top by our month. 2021, or you can say 2021. Let's put it into our sentence. Today is Friday, comma, March 5th, comma, 2021, 2021, period. And that period reminds us to stop. That's the end of our sentence. We're not going to say anything else. Can you say the whole sentence with me? Today is Friday, March 5th, 2021. Good job. Next, I'm going to practice all my numbers up to the number 5. I want to practice my numbers every day so I get really good at them. You can practice on your paper or you can practice in the air. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Did you peek outside the window to see what the weather was like before we started today? Is it partly cloudy, partly sunny for you today? Is the sun out, but the clouds are playing hide and seek with you in the sun? What about cloudy? Is it cloudy for you today? It's not cloudy here. What about rainy? Is it rainy today? Not here. What about snowy? Is it snowy where you are? It's not snowing here. It's actually sunny, and I forgot to take it off the board from yesterday. So here's our card for sunny. Is it sunny where you are? I'm going to put that back up onto my board for today. And will you help me put the weather into our weather chart? So the first one is raining, but it's not raining. So let's go to the next one. Snowing? Nope, not snowing. Sunshine, that's what we have today. The sun is shining. So we're going to put another tally mark here. We already have 1. So what is 1 plus 1 more? Ooh, I hear some good guesses. Let's put in our tally mark and then let's count them up. You can do your tally mark on the paper, or you can do a tally mark by putting your finger in the sky and striking down. Are you ready? Let's start up at the top and strike down. Our tally mark's in, let's count them up. 1, 2. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. Thank you for helping me with the weather chart. Let's put the weather into our agenda. Today is sunny, so I'm just going to draw a circle with the sun. We'll color that in and put some rays of sunshine coming out from it. And today I'm going to make a castle out of my blocks. Do you have blocks? Sometimes they're square, sometimes they're rectangle, sometimes they are blue, sometimes they are red, sometimes they are green, sometimes they are pink. Whoops, that's not a very square one. Let's see. What would your castle look like if you were building one out of your blocks? I'm just going to put a tower on each side. And that's going to be my castle with a little flag out the side there. And then I'm going to put my name at the bottom, and you can practice your name while I do my name, okay? Make sure you put a capital letter at the beginning of your name because your name is very important. So capital C-E-L-Y-N-N-E. And if you don't know how to do all of your letters yet, that's okay. You can just start by practicing one letter. And right now we are practicing the letter A. Will you practice your uppercase A with me? Let's start at the top with our crayon on our paper. If you don't have a paper, you can just practice in the air with your hand. So we'll start up at the top and we'll come all the way down. And go back up to the top, we'll come down again, and then we'll cross it in the middle. Let's do that one more time. Go up to the top and strike it down. Go back up over here and on an angle, come down. And then cross it in the middle. Next, we're going to make the lowercase a, and we do that by making a circle. So make a circle with me, go all the way around, and then make a line. That is our lowercase a. Let's do that again. Make another circle, and then a line, and you've made a lowercase a. And if you practice all your letters every day, you'll get really good at them, and pretty soon you'll be able to make all the words that you like. So yesterday I was feeling pretty nervous because I was going to call my friend on the phone and video chat with her, and I was going to read her a book. I was a little bit nervous that I might make a mistake. So that was my feeling face for yesterday, and I was nervous. I got a little bit red in my face and I was shaking a little bit. Oh, I was so nervous. But you know what? I did really good. So I didn't need to be nervous after all. Let's see. I'm not nervous today. I'm feeling pretty good. Am I excited? I'm going to build a castle out of blocks today. I'm going to use the castle to maybe play with some of my dolls. Maybe I can put a teddy bear in there, or a doll, or a stuffed cat. Anything I like. I can use my imagination. Do you think I would be excited to do that? What about sad? Do you think I would be sad to build a castle? Would you be sad to build a castle? Maybe you're feeling sad for something else today. That's okay too. You can talk to your grown-up or a friend about it. What about happy? Are you happy today? What about angry? Are you angry, disgruntled, grumpy? It's okay to have those days as well. It's okay to be happy, sad, grumpy, nervous, all of those. I think I'm happy today. My video went good yesterday when I was calling my friend to read the story, and I get to build a castle today. So I'm going to put up happy. And my kind thing that I'm going to do today is I'm going to ask the grown-up in my house if they need help. Do you think you could ask the grown-up in your house if they need help with anything? Maybe they need help folding the laundry or doing the dishes, or maybe they need help just by having a cuddle on the couch. Sometimes that's helpful as well. I hope you find something wonderful and kind to do today, and I hope you have a great day, and we will see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.